You look good, you feel good. And when you are heading into a job interview, confidence is the key.
Yeah, and with our chilly and sometimes brutal winters, you definitely want to wear a coat outside, and when you're heading indoors, you want to look the part. But getting a nice coat isn't always easy for everyone. But that's where our TCL partner, St. Croix Cleaners, is stepping in to help. So you know St. Croix Cleaners as the folks that make sure all your clothes look good. But now they're teaming up with an organization to also make sure people look good for a job interview.
As everyone knows, Minnesota gets extremely cold, and there are just some people that can't afford a nice coat, especially when they're trying to break out into the business world. And so we like to partner with companies that also provide that same service to underprivileged areas to help get them ready for job interviews and also to have something warm to wear in the winter time.
But these aren't coats that are worn out and we're going to be donated and maybe not used or thrown out. This is a really good way to give something that's in nice condition.
Yes, absolutely. So we are looking for coats that are less than 5 years old, that are more of a business style coat so that they can wear it in a professional setting. Not so much your puffy, oversized kind of ripped up coats. This is definitely something that they're going to be able to keep for a really long time.
When you look good, you feel good, and I feel like that just changes their persona instantly.
Exactly. So Ready for Success is all about confidence. And oftentimes in the colder months, that first impression that you're making when you walk in for an interview, you're wearing that winter coat. So to us, it's really important to keep people warm, but also help them feel confident.
When people are looking at their coats saying, okay, I know these are beautiful, I just don't wear them now, what a great way for people to give back.
Yes, we're serving about 150 low-income men and women each month, providing them with interview and work-appropriate clothing. This time of the year, we never have enough top coats, overcoats, winter coats to outfit those in need. As a matter of fact, we had clients in this morning. Two of them came in with a sweatshirt and a hoodie. That's what they owned. So we have a very limited stock now, but we were able to outfit those two with outerwear with this beautiful 20-degree weather.
Just make sure if you wouldn't wear it, even though you wouldn't wear it maybe for style, that if it has holes or any damage to it, we really aren't looking for coats like that. Think about something you'd want to wear at a nice event or an interview style. Anything like that would be great. As you can see here, we have a lot of more trench style, that kind of coat. But we do, the nicer, puffier ones are okay. Just make sure that if you would wear it, then you can give it to us, but nothing with damage or anything like that. Because anyone who donates a coat does get 20% off their dry cleaning order. So not only do we get to feel good and help out our community that has given so much to us, but we also get to help out our customers. And so everybody kind of gets that same good feeling about this project. Last year we did donate 200 coats, and this is our 5th year doing this coat drive. And so every year we get bigger. So our goal is to just keep surpassing the number we keep getting each year. So anyone out there who'd like to donate, it would be just so beneficial for not just our company, but for a lot of people in the Twin Cities.
Oh my gosh, there's so many coats that we have in the closet that you're like, why isn't somebody just using them? They're great coats.
This is really brilliant because I like finding a specific need and really making a difference for specific people. So what do you do, Em?
Okay, so it's pretty easy. So the coats can be dropped off. This is the best part at any of the 17 St. Croix Cleaners locations. Donations will be accepted through the end of the month. And again, just make sure that they are 5 years old or less because they want to make sure that they're nice and in good condition.
Yeah, that's good. All right, still to come.